Welcome back, everyone. This is Blue Golden Garden English for Beginner. My name is Heureuse E, and my desire is to make a positive impact on your learning journey because learning a new language is challenging. Your accents present another layer of difficulty, but it is never been a handicap. However, both of them can be overcome with dedication, use right strategies, 15 minutes daily, interact with native speakers, practice, repetition, be authentic, relax, and then cool, right? 7 days of the creation. Today we want to talk about the days. We use days to organize time. Our lives, personal habit, work, and social activities are structured around it. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those one are Creole and those one are French. 7 day in a week in English. I believe the calendar, so everyone, 7 days. So I believe. What do you do in one of those days? The 7 days are divided into two categories. We have weekday, including Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekday. We have weekend, Saturday, Sunday. That's why they are divided. Now, let's talk about month. How many months we have? 12 months. The 12 months of the year is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December or December. Remember, I am Creole Haitian. I speak French and Creole. Therefore, you will use to my accent. All right? I love my accent. Let's practice the 12th day or the 12th month of the year. We already have them here. January, February, again, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now there is something you need to understand. Dates. Dates can be written in many ways. The first day we look at here, United States, Great Britain, July 4th, 1776. We can write it like that, 0704-1776. Right? In Europe, this one is in Great Britain. In Europe and British, they write it like that. The day first, the month, and the year. 18 May 1803. 1805 1803. This one, In East Asia, they read it like the year first, month after, and come the year, the day. 1898, June 12. 1898, June 12. So you see, in the planet, they read things differently. So remember, your accent can be different from one another. If you see those three dates here, Great Britain, Europe and British, East Asia, different. My accent and your should be different because I am Asian. There are 4 seasons in a year. Winter. Winter, each season take 3 months. Each season take 3 months. Winter, December, January, February, fall or February, January, whatever, December. What we see in December, those one are the vocabulary. Cold, we wear gloves. Snow, we have to wear coat. Rain, we need umbrella. All those months, it's raining, it's snowing. We need to prepare for that. After this one, January, we come here, come spring. Spring, March, April, May. March, April, May, it's spring. It's warm. We start gardening, planting, sunny, our crops blooming, breezy. We need to cover up with a sweater because when it's breezy like that, you can feel a little chill. After this one comes summer. Summer also have 3 months, June, July, August. When we see those months, we see a hot. Everybody wants to go to the beach. Sunny, we want to swimming. Vacation, is barbecue. We go to see the family. We enjoy the family. So I don't know how to swim. I just take a bucket of water. I put it right there and then I just swim. Autumn. Autumn, it is falling. 3 months. September, October, November for autumn. Falling, you see, the leaves fall. Oh, beautiful. That's so cool. I love it. Pumpkin harvest because we see October, we're going to have Halloween and everything else. Colorful, is that so? Look at, very colorful, right? Golden. Whew. We are not in autumn yet, okay? Now we are still in July. Summer. So let's practice because we learn best when we practice. Take a moment to read aloud and listen to yourself. Read aloud like I'm reading one, okay? Let's go together. Winter, spring, spring, winter, spring, summer, summer, autumn, autumn. Days of the week, Sunday, the first day. The calendar starts with Sunday. Sunday is the first day. Monday, the second day. Tuesday, the third day. Wednesday, the fourth day. Thursday, the fifth day. Friday, the sixth day. Saturday, the seventh day of the week. Month of the year, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, praise the Lord. This is my accent, love. Question for you. Again, 8 question now. We're going to do it together. What is the first day of the week? How many days in a week? What day did you move to this country where you are? Because this is in YouTube, you're going to see it everywhere in the planet. What is your favorite month and why? You're going to say favorite or favorite. Favorite or favorite. What is your favorite or favorite month and why? Can you name the month of the year? How many are they? What are the 4 seasons? What is your favorite season? What is the best month to visit your country? How many seasons are there? Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Please help us improve. Subscribe, comment, like, and we will move forward together.